The Insta360 Go is a fun little camera that actually does a remarkably good job of recording with the built-in mic. It sounds very good for the size of the device and is way more capable than you would expect it to be. However, there might be times when you might want to make your audio stand out a little more or reduce some background noise that might be interfering with your audio quality. This video shows you how to improve the sound captured by your Insta360 Go with the Brusfri Noise Reducer app. Hi, I'm Saab Johal and welcome to my channel, which is all about mobile and 360 video and photography and how to edit for great results. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the Brusfri Noise Reducer app and showing you exactly how you can use it in your workflow. And just a quick note, it's only available for iOS on mobile devices, though you can get a plugin for desktops too. This tutorial is about using the app on iOS. And while you're watching, make sure you let me know your best tips for capturing better audio on your Insta360 Go. What tricks have you learned? It's always interesting to hear about the experience of others, and your tips and suggestions may help others make improvements on the audio captured by their Insta360 Go's too. Okay, let's jump on into it. The iOS app from Brusfri is described as an advanced audio noise reducer with a simple and straightforward interface, and I think that's a pretty fair description. It seems to be very well suited for cleaning up noisy audio recordings whilst retaining good sound quality. And unlike many other noise reducers on the market, Brusfri says that it doesn't mess up with the audio phasing to suppress noise, which is a technique that often comes with audible sound effects. Instead, it uses multiple fine-tuned gates to silence unwanted noise. That's what they say. So how do you use it and what effect does it have on recorded sound? Let me walk you through this. When you first open up Brusfri, you see the main interface screen with the ear in the center. You press this when you come across a section of audio that has the part that you'd like to suppress or remove from the recording, leaving cleaner audio. The different tweaks and settings for how this is achieved can be accessed by swiping left and right. Swipe left and you find the screen labeled expanders. This seems to refer to the threshold at which noise reduction kicks in, with a lower value meaning more noise reduction applied. Swipe right past the learn screen and you see the filter screen including edge, high and HPF. Edge controls the intensity of reduction, with a lower value giving a smoother reduction effect, not as harsh as it could otherwise be. High seems to boost high frequencies and HPF reduces lower frequencies. If we swipe back to the main screen, the way Brusfri works is that you find a section of audio that has the part that you'd like to suppress or remove from the recording to leave that cleaner sound. This seems to need to be at least a second or two long for it to work well, and that needs to be relatively clean background audio, uncontaminated by what you want to leave behind. Once you find that section of audio, press the ear and the app learns that section of audio and then uses its algorithms to remove or suppress that particular audio. You can have multiple passes at that process and Brusfri can relearn on each pass until you're happy with the results, making the necessary tweaks with the other settings that I've already covered. Once you're happy with the results, you can export this audio in different formats in different codecs, WAV, AIF and MP4, and at different bit depths too. That way you can replace the audio in whatever media you're using with this new cleaned up audio, video, MP3, whatever it is that you're doing. And export it directly into different apps on your iOS device too. It's actually pretty simple to use and well integrated. All right, so how does it perform? I've recorded 3 samples here for you to make a judgment for yourself. The first one is in a busy supermarket with lots of background noise and clatter. Check it out here. Brusfri Noise Reducer with the Insta360 Go in an echoey supermarket. So let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and apply Brusfri. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How did that go? I think that did a pretty good job of cleaning up the audio, but perhaps it was a bit too severe at points. Okay, what about a different environment? All right, here's another test scenario for the Insta360 Go with Brusfri. This is a car park in a supermarket. Let's see how this goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Apply Brusfri. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How did that go? Again, in this car park, I think it does a good job. What did you think? All right, here comes my final test. Okay, and we'll try this test on a London street with some light wind and some traffic going past too. Okay, Brusfri Insta360 Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now let's apply Brusfri. And this car goes past. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How did that do? Alright, so here's my opinion and recommendation. If you're going to use the Insta360 Go as a fun device to capture your everyday life and using Flashcut's remarkable AI engine to auto-edit footage for you to share, I really wouldn't bother with Brusfri or any other noise reduction software at all. What you get is probably going to be good enough. However, if you're using the Insta360 Go as part of a wider set of filmmaking tools and you're looking to incorporate your footage and audio captured alongside that footage, then you might be looking to improve that audio. If that sounds like you and you want a simple app that's really well integrated into the iOS system, which means that you can replace the audio in your video with a cleaned up version really easily, then you should definitely consider the Brusfri Noise Reducer app. In situations with moderate background noise and where you can get a good clean sample of the noise that you wish to reduce, then it produces pretty great results with the Insta360 Go. In sum, it's a great app that's well worth the $14.99 US that you pay on the App Store. What did you think about Brusfri from what you saw in my video? Please be sure to leave me a comment below and check out the links in the pinned comment below to see the other devices I've tested Brusfri on. You might be surprised at some of the results. Hey, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have found it useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing. I'd love to see you back here again soon. Here's some of my other videos that you might find interesting or useful. Please take a look around and thanks again for watching. Cheers and go well.